America saw mixed performance with a notable divergence along with the major indices. In the United States, the Dow Jones Industrial Average took a significant dropping of the 527.16 points, that is 1.33%, making a sharp decline. In contrast, the S&P 500 showed resilience with a modest gain of 7 points, that is 0.13%, while the Nasdaq also edged down significantly by 20.71 points, that is 0.13%, reflecting the cautious investor sentiment. The VIX, often referred to the fear gauge or the fear index, spiked up 9%, suggesting the rising market volatility and the investor uncertainty. Smaller cap stocks, however, outperformed, with the Russell 2000 advancing 0.92% and indicating growing investor confidence in the domestic and the smaller firms. Also in the Canada, both the S&P TSX Composite and the S&P TSX 60 posted solid gains, rising 0.36% and 0.40% respectively. Also, Latin America market have also strongly struggled, and the Brazil's Bovespa that has been surging over 1%, while the Chile's S&P IPSA rose 1.36% and Mexico's S&P BMV IPC climbed 0.71%. This gain suggests that the optimism in the emerging market is high, possibly fueled by the commodities of the local economic data. Overall, the day's performance revealed a cautious yet selective bullish sentiment among the investors. The commodities market remained flat across the board, showing no price movement in the key assets. Also, WTI crude oil held steadily to $64.01%, while the Brent crude oil was unchanged at $67.96, also suggesting a pause in the momentum, possibly due to the stable supply-demand expectation or a lull ahead of the fresh economic data. Similarly, the natural gas prices remained at $3.25%, indicating no immediate weather-driven or the geopolitical catalyst impacting the energy sector. Also, in the precious metal, gold stood firm at $3,328.40, maintaining its position near the upper end of the 52-week range, reflecting ongoing investor interest in the safe haven asset. Silver also showed no movement, staying at $32.47, while the soya beans held, that is $10.48, with no change in agriculture commodity prices either. The lack of activity across all these sectors point to a calm trading session, possibly as market await clearer signal from the central bank or macroeconomic indicators before marking a directional